guys, this is Rai and welcome to Rice Bakes. So for today's video, I will be showing you how I make my no-bake macaroni pasta. So let's begin. First, let's do our pasta sauce. Add olive oil or any cooking oil available in your kitchen. Saute your garlic and onion for 1 minute. Add ground pork and cook for 15 minutes until it's golden brown. Add salt and pepper to taste. Add water and simmer it for 5 minutes. Now, your ground pork is ready and cooked. You can now add your mushrooms or hot dogs if you prefer and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Now, add your tomato sauce. I used Filipino style tomato sauce. Add banana ketchup. I also love to add milk and condensed milk for more creamier and sweeter pasta sauce. So now our pasta sauce is ready. So let's start now cooking our pasta. First, boil 1 liter of water. Add salt and oil. Add your macaroni pasta. Cook it until it's ready. So now, our macaroni pasta is ready. We can now start doing our melted cheese sauce. In a saucepan, add your milk, butter, and cheese. Let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the butter and cheese melts. Now that our cheese and butter melted and combined, you can now add your cornstarch mixture. In making your cornstarch mixture, just dissolve 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to 1/2 cup of water. Once it's thickened, your melted cheese sauce now is ready. To assemble your no-bake macaroni pasta in a separate bowl, add your cooked macaroni pasta, mix your pasta sauce, and then top your melted cheese sauce. And that's it, your no-bake macaroni pasta is ready to eat. I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. And please don't forget to ring the bell button to notify you on my new upload videos. Until next time, bye-bye!